Let's see how we can download and install the latest Python version on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, go to your browser and type python.org. I will have this link in the description, so you can just click on that link. And now you can click on this download button, or just hover over this download button and click on this all releases. So directly, as you can see here, it will give you an option to download Python 3.1 2.0, or if you want to download any specific version, you can scroll down and get a list of versions from here. And as you can see, this is the latest version itself, so just click on download button next to it and you will come to this page. So scroll down to bottom and you'll have these options. Don't choose any one of these, just choose the installer. So click on this Windows 64 installer that is recommended next to it. So click on this and your download will start. After you have downloaded this, click on open file and now click on add python.exe to path. Click on install now, and as you can see, this will also install Python IDLE and pip, and no need to customize installation. Just click on install now and your Python installation will start. So as you can see here, Python setup was successful. Now you can click on close and you can minimize your browser. Now you can press Windows and type Python 3.12, and as you can see, you will see this. Now you can open this and you can try out some Python code here. Let's say print hello world, and hello world will be printed. Now let's check out some better Python IDE that is installed by default. So you can type exit and type Python 3.12, and as you can see, you'll see this IDLE. Click on this. This is the default IDE that is installed when you install Python, and here also you can write commands like print hello, and you can do a equals to 1 plus 2, and now you can print a. So this is where you can try out all your Python code.